Good morning, Lemon fam, and happy AirPods Pro 2 day. I'm super excited about the AirPods. We got a couple things to do on our schedule before we do unbox it. One, we gotta go buy a big box because I gotta ship a bunch of stuff in that package. And two, I think it's time. I think it's about time that I go ahead and sign up for the gym. I think I gotta, you know. And then we're gonna do it. We will be unboxing the brand new AirPods Pro 2. I'm super hyped about them. I tried them out at the Apple event and they were incredible. Actually, forget about the box. I just found a box, so we don't need to buy a new box. So let's head to the gym. Buen dia. Are you ready to go to the gym?
Nope.
We're both actually gonna sign up. We both thought it was about time. We've been giving each other excuses that no, right now is not the best time. Enough of excuses. If you guys translate Bungrok, which is the name of the gym, it means yellow spot. So it's the yellow, the lemon gym. I have to sign up for this gym. It's like a sign of the future. Lemon gym. She's no less than a dime. Alright, we walked in pretty happy and we walked out kind of meh. There's also no pool. I wanted to do pool as well, and I don't know. It's kind of overwhelming, by the way, when you're like, you know, this week and you see all those dudes like just like lifting up weights. Why are you laughing? And by the way, before you guys start hating on why aren't you using Apple Fitness Plus, I do use Apple Fitness Plus, but you know, since I work at home all day, I like to get out of the house. So a gym is literally the perfect idea for it. So we'll find a better gym. Maybe that wasn't the right one. Maybe it is. Maybe we'll sign up for a month and try it out. All right, who's ready for some AirPods Pro 2? I know I am. Let's unbox it. All right, so here they are. Here are the brand new AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I'm actually quite excited to have these because guess what? Well, hold on. From the Apple event, the AirPods Pro 2 were probably the least hyped product that they released, but guess what? I actually got to test them out and they surprised me so incredibly much. We get the design by Apple in California. So the sound quality, I really wasn't expecting it to be this much better. What do we get in the box as usual? Oh, this is a Nice Pamphlet. Oh yeah, by the way, you can now charge your AirPods Pro 2nd gen with your Apple Watch charger. I don't know who wanted that. I'm not complaining, but it's still pretty cool. You also get extra small tips for those small ears. No Apple stickers. Here are the AirPods Pro 2. Let's go ahead and lift up the tab. And we got a couple things. First and foremost, Lightning to USB-C cable, and over here we get the brand new extra small tips. So let's go ahead and check those out. The 20 minutes that I had at the Apple event, the bass that they actually had really surprised me. Okay, so here they are. Here are the brand new AirPods Pro 2. We now get a lanyard, so you literally put like a lanyard, so you can put your AirPods Pro on your keychain. And we also get speakers. Now, why the heck would you want speakers on your AirPods? Well, now they connect even better with the Find My network. So let's say you lose your AirPods around your house and you want to know where they are. The speaker will be great at that, and the LED actually lights up whenever you don't find them. So there they are. They look exactly the same as the AirPods Pro, the standard ones, but trust me, they sound so much better. This is truly the magic of AirPods. Simply tapping connect and they are automatically connected. Oh, it's pretty cool. Since it's actually got a speakers, it actually gives you feedback. So now they're connected and there's this tiny sound effect. All right, let's go ahead and try them on. And of course, listen to the best playlist in the world. If you guys aren't following me on Apple Music, I don't really know what you're doing with your life. They sound so much better, like it's so noticeable. Transparency mode has also been highly improved. There's now adaptive transparency. Let's say you're in the middle of a city and there's like huge construction work. The transparency mode will actually turn down the volume from the construction work, but all the rest will stay the same. You know what the best feature on the new AirPods Pro 2s are? I mean, I don't really know why this wasn't a feature before. I am turning up and turning down the volume directly for my AirPods. This has been a feature that I've been asking Apple to do for ages. The entire community has been asking for it for ages, and it's finally here. Something that I would love to see on the AirPods Pro are the same thing that we get on the AirPods Max. Can we get more colors? I mean, just imagine an all black AirPods. I mean, look how epic it would look. I want this to happen. But wow, I gotta test them out further. But wow, thank you for watching. Be happy, because life is good. I'm gonna go listen to some music, baby. Bye-bye. Follow me on Apple Music. You guys are missing out. Seriously.
For most of my life, to have this love come and bury my strife.